Today's professional technicians know that precision and reliability are key to every repair. Regardless of the component being replaced, you want the assurance that you're doing an exemplary repair using premium parts. Let's talk today about parts that help your customers go and help them stop. Transfer case motors play a critical role in shifting power between the front and rear wheels in an all-wheel and four-wheel drive system. A faulty transfer case motor can lead to drivability issues, poor traction, and costly comebacks. If the transfer case fails, your customers will find it difficult to stay in four-wheel drive, or will be unable to shift from four-wheel to all-wheel drive. And in rear-wheel drive situations, it'll affect the rear differential because both of them are mechanically connected. WAI's transfer case motors are engineered for longevity and reliability with key features that make installation seamless. Each unit comes with an OE-matched plug and sealed wire harness, ensuring a perfect fit while protecting against moisture and contaminants. This reduces troubleshooting time and guarantees a strong, lasting connection. The nitrile seal is another crucial feature. It acts as a barrier against dirt and debris, preventing premature wear. And since every unit is 100% tested to OE standards, you can be confident it will perform right out of the box. Now, let's talk about brake calipers. Proper braking performance depends on high-quality components, and brake calipers play a key role in ensuring safe and effective stopping power. Inferior calipers can lead to leaks, inconsistent braking, and even dangerous failures. WI engineers say their brake calipers are built for durability and reliability with custom coatings to protect against corrosion, ensuring long-term performance. Each caliper comes with either steel or phenolic pistons matched to OE specifications for optimal braking performance. This means less wear on brake pads and consistent stopping power for your customers. Installation is simplified with OE-matched hose inlets, eliminating fitment issues and preventing brake hose leaks. Like transfer case motors, WAI brake calipers are 100% tested and validated, reducing comebacks and keeping your customers happy. As a technician, using high-quality, 100% new components means you can work efficiently and with confidence. No court charges, no handling headaches, just reliable parts that install easily and perform flawlessly. WAI's transfer case motors and brake calipers are designed for reliability, built for performance, ready for the road ahead. For more information, visit WAIglobal.com. Thanks for watching.